Hello, everyone. It's Sandy with the Artistic Vegan Home. Today, I'm sharing with you my thrift haul from the Christian community, Thrift and more. I love thrifting in this store because they have a wide selection of gently used items and some new items with competitive prices. When you first enter the store, they have a selection of new and used furniture neatly displayed and priced. There is always a selection of various size picture frames with or without art. If you are into decorative figurines and collectibles, you will definitely find some there. Like this large collection of clowns. Can you believe it came from just one donor? And they also carry many kitchen gadgets and small appliances. You will also find a bunch of glass, dinner, and serveware. They also have an electronics section with computers, printers, TVs, and more. And of course, they carry clothing for the entire family. They even have a special Christmas section that is packed with Christmas decor all year round. And yes, they have plenty of books and a whole lot more. So let me show you my thrifty finds. I found this small vintage food warmer for $2.99. I already own a larger vintage one, so this one is a happy addition. I also found 10 of these square mirrored candle coasters for $2.99. They are $1 each at Dollar Tree, so getting all 10 for less than $3 was awesome. A little cleaning to remove the wax, and they will be good as new. I was so very happy to find these beautiful blown glass pitchers for only $3.50 for the pair. I was able to score these lovely glass-footed bowls that will be wonderful vessels for serving salad, soup, or dessert. I got the four for $5. I also picked up this little shelf that resembled an old-fashioned washboard. After a little makeover, this will look cute in my laundry room. It was $3. I totally love this thrifty find. It is a vintage Fire King copper tint ovenware set. The box was a bit tattered, but inside was the complete set that had never been used. The set includes one casserole dish with cover, one square cake pan, one pie pan, four custard cups, and four handled personal size casserole dishes. They are all in perfect condition and were just $10.99 for the complete set. I am truly looking forward to using these lovely jewels. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you will always know when I upload new videos.